everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to Nailmas Day 21. Today I'm using a new Moonshine Mani called Who Caught the Bouquet as the base color. This is going to be in an upcoming Moonshine Mani video, so it is actually releasing on Christmas Day, so I will have all of the details later about that in like the swatch video. But anyway, the polish is really pretty. It's kind of like this milky white that has a gold shimmer in it, some kind of gold purpley magenta flakies, and then it has a mixture of like various shades of green glitters, and they're in different sizes. So I felt like this was a really fun kind of, dare I say, wintry polish. You guys know I'm not a winter person, but I felt like this just had a very wintry vibe to it. So I thought on top of it we would do some layered trees. It could be like a Christmas tree farm or forest, whatever you want to call it. And I went ahead and added snow to them because I felt like it kind of made the overall look, even though I am not a snow person at all. It's cold and it hurts. So I'm going in with a mossy acrylic paint. This shade is actually it's Craft Smart and it's called Olive Green. It's been one that I use a lot during Nailmas. So that is just the Michaels brand paint, if you were wondering. It's just traditional acrylic paint. And I am using the What's Up Nails Dance 24 brush. And I put about 2 to 3 dark green trees on each nail. It kind of depends on how big your nail is and how bushy your trees are, I guess you could say. So I did 3 of different heights. That's another key factor. You want to change up the heights. And if you want to leave a gap in between the trees, that is okay, because we are actually going to put a second layer of trees that's going to kind of fill in the gaps and create some depth in this overall manicure. So after you are done with your green trees, to begin with, you want to let them dry. And while it is drying, since acrylic paint does dry pretty fast, you can actually start mixing your paint for the next part. So for the next part, you're going to do the same olive green shade mixed with some white to lighten it a bit. So these could be more so like lighter trees are up close. Maybe it's a darker lighting scene, so the trees in the front would be lighter than the ones in the back. And I did about 2 trees of the lighter shade in front of the dark green trees in the gaps that I had. So they're still a shade of green, but they are much lighter, so that way you can tell the difference. And it kind of adds some depth to the manicure. So after that part is dry, I then went in with just regular white acrylic paint and added some snow to the tips of the trees and like on the different layers. So you kind of just dab it in wherever you want or whatever you think looks good. And if you end up not liking it, just cover it back up with the paint you originally used for that tree. And then I also went ahead and just used my brush to create some dots on the white base, so it looked like the frosty flaky stuff falling from the sky. Again, not a fan of it at all, but it kind of made this design. And that was it. So I decided to go for a matte top coat. So of course you can do whatever you want, but here is a look at how my manicure came out. I do actually really like it. I feel like it's very fun. It's very wintry, and we can call them Christmas trees. So that is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed today's design. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!